Sa isang panayam ng Cosmopolitan Philippines kay Jericho Rosales, inamin ng aktor na gusto niyang makatrabaho muli ang dating partner na si Christine Hermosa. "I've always said that I want to work with Christine because I feel like it's some sort of unfinished business when it comes to our run," aniya. Katunayan, nag-reach out daw siya sa kanilang manager noon para alukin kung interesado ang aktres na muli siyang magkatrabaho. "It was the 25th anniversary of Pangako Sa'yo just recently and I told my manager because Christine and I had the same manager before. I was like, how is she? Do you think she's going to be open to working with me?" pagbabahagi niya. Hirit naman ng mga nagmamahadera, for sure daw ay nakarating ang offer na ito kay Christine. Gayunpaman, posible raw na nagselos ang mister ng aktres na si Oyo Boy kaya hindi ito natuloy.